Okay, so now we will start from the Zenmap tool, which is information gathering tool. So first of all, we'll just go to the browser and just check here like install Zenmap. To install Zenmap, and just go to the link, just scroll down and find the Zenmap GUI for all platforms. Just install the software right here, and I have already installed it, so I will just start with my tool. So for that, just go to the terminal, just type the command sudo Zenmap and write the password. So yes, here is the Zenmap, and so it has many scans which I have just listed in the attached file. And so first of all, you can also just check your targets or your your host machine in the Zenmap. So we'll just check our IP. For that, we will write the command config. Okay. So here it is. Like we have basically it's the Ethernet connection, LAN, and the Wi-Fi adapter which I have installed externally. So this is the IP which we are going to scan. So for that, just copy and paste it here. And to scan all the IPs in the network, just write this, or you can write this. Okay. So, and you can just do any scan whichever you want. There are many scans, approximately 10 scans, and we will just start from a quick scan, which is a basic scan and less time consuming. Okay, so we can see that we got around 3 machines. The first one is our router, and the other 2 machines are connected machines. And as we can see that it is a IEEE registry authority MAC address, and it is not known. And now we can see that if we just do a quick scan plus, we get more information. Also, we can just scan any target, any IP address, whichever IP address we want, but it should be ethical. And quick scan plus is more time consuming than the quick scan and ping scan and the other scans. So you can check all the scans, whichever you want. So we should just wait for some time. It's just scanning. It takes approximately a minute or so. I think it's taking much longer, so we should just go to the ports. Like if we select this, which is our router, you can see that these many ports are open, like the state of the ports are open, and these kind of services are on the respective port. So for this, there is no information like we have. So I think it's stuck, and we should just scan again. Okay, so we got many machines, right? Many machines connected. You can see the topology. So yes, it is my LG Smart TV, which is connected to the internet. There is no information for this. Okay, so here we again have that it is a Microsoft Windows operating system, right? You can also see the topology, that which topology is, like you can see the fish eye. My scroller is just not working. Okay, so there are also many controls which you can just go through and have information about that certain thing. Okay, so there are many commands which you would love to use in this map. So we just didn't got any output and start it once again, check if it really responds or not. And there is the host details, that it is a Microsoft operating system. I think we got any output. No output. Okay, so here we know that it is a Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. It is on version 1709, and you can just see everything, like the ports used. These are two open ports. The OS classes, it's 90%, 96% assured that it is a Windows operating system. There is nothing. You can just cancel it once and launch it again, and just run a quick scan plus again. Okay, so we got the information about many systems. Okay, like we got these many IPs. The first one is, like here you can see that it is a smart TV LG. The topology, the host details, that it is the host is up. Okay, you can again scan it, like if you get more outputs. That so first is the LG TV, we got to know. Second, it's still unknown. The third, fourth, that the 0.185 is my Windows. Okay, Windows 10. So any output. So these are the commands which we. This is running, and this command is just unsaved. This is my router. Host 5 open ports. It's Reliance. We can say that it is Geo, because generally these days it has to be Geo. So port number 80 TCP port is open, right? And it is a Linux operating system which they are built upon. And as you know, the fish eye, you can just get fish eye as we want. Very useful. The local host is our machine. Lines is the router, and many machines just got added. So I think it is nice. So got many machines. Like here, there are many ports open, TCP, SSL services operating, and it's Linux. It's LG Smart TV, as I just told you. And here we got no information about the host. Here also the host is unknown, here also unknown. But we can see that there are many services running on this IP. Okay, and this is my Windows machine, which I'm just telling again and again and again. So okay, just do a quick scan to again get some host information. So just for the ping scan, two hosts up right now. So there are many scans. The intense scan will take time. Regular scan. So all in all, it is a good information gathering tool and a very useful tool for every ethical or any kind of hacker. Okay, so now here we can see that 0.31 is my Wi-Fi adapter, which is being operated on Linux, and this is a Nessus service running on the port number 3001, which has a protocol, TCP protocol. Okay, so interesting. We got information about this. It is an iPhone sync, and here many information, right? So you can just go to any machine, just scan it and do whatever you want. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so there was a problem in the last video due to shortage of time, so I just quick scanned plus it and just came to know that this was already known, that LG was on 0.31, and I just came to know that on 0.156 I was using a Oppo mobile, which was obviously Android, right? So also there were many services, so many services were having state filtered or open or closed. So open ports will give a state open, and the ports or the services which will be filtered by the firewall of the network will mention closed or filtered state of that certain port, right? So yes, that information was left. I wanted to tell you. So okay, now next we will just get upon OpenVAS.